we're making some chicken stir fry with some cabbage, some onions, a little bit of garlic here, and some carrots from my mom. First, we're gonna heat up this pan really high, cause stir fry, you know, you wanna cook everything at high heat. I'm gonna put some oil, some avocado oil, or that high heat oil, cause it has a high smoke point. Drizzle that on there. Wait for this to warm up. Okay guys, so for the chicken, keep it nice and simple. Need some soy sauce, some cornstarch, and then I add some beef broth for that savory flavor. Soy sauce is more of the saltiness, and then the cornstarch makes it a little of the sauciness to thicken up. Okay, so once that's warming up, you want to add some garlic in here to saute it a little bit so it brings out that aroma before we put that chicken in there. Yeah, look at this garlic, it's getting all browned up. Now we're gonna put that chicken in. Alright, in go all the vegetables now. Whee! Oh! Alright, we're adding some soy sauce. Don't question that it's in the sriracha, but it's soy sauce. Alright, back the chicken goes and we stir everything up. Rub it up. That looks good, huh? Alright, we're doing a taste test right here with my dad. Keefy D right here, huh?
That is good. Yeah! Fried cabbage, chicken, carrot if I can get one. Oh man.
Y'all, you heard him. Save this recipe online in the link in bio. Subscribe.